Good morning, children. Welcome to the online classes. This is Miss Jyoti, and today we are going to revise our first chapter of page number 5 in EVS, and chapter name is Introducing Myself. Children, before also we have done this chapter, we have done the revision of this chapter, and today we are going to do it again, okay? Children, this is your first chapter, Introducing Myself, page number 5, okay? And so let's see what topics we will discuss today in this video. Introducing yourself, growing up, and kinds of families. Children, how do you call your friends? By their names. How do people call you? By your name. Children, how you call your friends? By their name. And how your friends or your relatives or other people call you? By your name, no? So the first thing one needs to learn about oneself is one's name. So what we should learn first? Yes, our names, no? The first thing one needs to learn about oneself is one's name. Children, our name is very important. Our name plays a very important role in our life. Whenever we have to introduce ourselves, then what we will say? First we will introduce our name. First we will tell our name, na? When we meet someone for the first time, we introduce ourselves. We start introducing ourselves by telling our name, na? Whenever we meet someone for the first time, we introduce ourselves, ना? हम अपने आप को बताते हैं ना, जब हम किसी से फर्स्ट टाइम मिलते हैं तो हम उन्हें अपना नाम और अपने बारे में इंट्रोड्यूस करते हैं ना। और कैसे इंट्रोड्यूस करते हैं? बाय टेलिंग आवर नेम। सो राइट योर फर्स्ट नेम। योर फर्स्ट नेम इन स्कूल। चिल्ड्रन, योर फर्स्ट नेम इन स्कूल मीन्स योर नेम दैट you have in school, okay? Like your name is Rani Singh. If you are a girl, then your name is Rani Singh. Then your first name will be Rani, na? What will be your first name? Rani. Then write your surname. Children, surname means or your family name. Like I have told you, na, Rani Singh, so Singh will be your surname. And from where this surname came, Singh? Yes, it came from your family's name, na? For example, if your father's name is Mr. Vishal Singh, then this Singh is your father's surname. So this surname will be your surname also, okay? This surname Singh will be also your surname. Why? Because our surname or last name is our family name, no? So your father's name was Vishal Singh and Singh is his surname, so that will be your surname. Got it? Now open to page number 6. Write your nickname. Children, what is nickname? Nickname is your name at home or by which you are called by your family members and close friends, okay? Like the name your father, mother or your dadi ji, dada ji, whatever they call you at home, that will be your nickname, na? Okay. A few more things that you need to know well are: you celebrate your birthday on. Children, you celebrate your birthday on means your date of birth. Date of birth means when you were born, na? Like if you were born on 5th December, then on 5th December every year you will celebrate your birthday, okay? Then how old are you? Children, tell us by drawing the correct number of candles on the given below. Children, how old are you means your age, ठीक है? And now you have to draw candles on this cake and tell your age. Like if you are 5 years old, then 1 2 3 4 5, you will draw 5 candles, okay? And if you are 6 years old, then you will draw 6 candles. And if you are 7 years old, then you will draw 7 candles, okay? And children, one thing more, it is very important that did you know, children, every name has a meaning. So find out the meaning of your name. Children, I think this will be one of the interesting facts to know the meaning of your name. Now you identify somebody by looking at the person. Now help others know you better by sharing some more facts about yourself. Means you identify somebody by their looks. So now you help others to know about you by sharing some more facts about yourself, okay? Are you a boy or a girl? Children, if you are a boy, then you will write I am a boy. And if you are a girl, then you will write I am a girl, okay? Boys will write I am a boy and girls will write I am a girl. Now come to page number 7. Children, number 2, what is the color of your hair? In this blank you have to write the color of your hair, okay? Like if you have brown hair, then you will write brown, and if you have black hair, then you will write black. Then, do you have straight, wavy or curly hair? Children, now in this blank you have to write, if you have straight hair, then you will write straight. If you have wavy hair, then you will write wavy, and if you have curly hairs, then you will write curly, okay? Number 4, what is the color of your eyes? You have to write the color of your eyes. If you have black eyes, then you will write black color. If your eyes color is brown, then you will write brown. And in this you have to paste your picture, okay? Paste your recent photograph. Now let's have a quick recap of this chapter once again. Children, we have a first name and a surname. First name means your name in school, and surname means your last name that came from your family name, that came from your family name, na? Now next is, our name is the first thing we should tell someone while introducing ourselves. We should tell someone when we are going to introduce, what we should tell? Our name, okay? Then we identify someone by his or her looks. So children, today we have done revision of this chapter, and tomorrow we are going to solve the exercises of this chapter, okay? So that's all for the class today. Have a nice day.